Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, it's gonna be about this Waterwave hair. I have been missing Waterwave from my life for some time, and I'm so glad that I got it back. And it's everything about it. I love it, especially the way that I like my Waterwave texture. So today I'm so happy to come and show you this wig. It's from a company that I haven't worked with before. Their name is Original Queen Hair. So this is the very first time, and the fact that I'm loving it, let's get into it. Y'all know that I used to talk about Peruvian hair this, Peruvian hair that. It's my favorite. We're not about to get into if Peruvian hair is really Peruvian hair or Brazilian hair is really Brazil. Look, okay, all I'm coming to y'all to tell you is what they tell me the hair is. So it is Peruvian hair from what they tell me, and it's 24 inches. I did end up trimming a little bit off and having some light layers to frame my face. It's a closure wig, a 4x4 closure lace wig, standard lace. I didn't have to put any of my makeup on there or spray it with my lace tint. I feel like their lace was easily blendable to my skin tone, and I did end up putting some of my hairspray on there because I needed to add some secureness to it, because the cap size, I normally wear an average cap size, and companies that send me pre-made wigs normally send out average cap size wigs. So with that being said, this one is big. So I took advantage of the adjustable straps, and I still have some more loops that I can tighten with, but I just didn't feel like taking it back off. But I also used the combs, and it's still like, it's a little bit big, but I'd rather the wigs be big than too snug and small, because I'll take the wig off, okay? If it's too small and it's like gripping on my head, trying to get to my brain, it ain't it, okay? So it is a little bit bigger, but you can definitely work with that. I don't know why I'm moving my hands like this. But I really have nothing more to say. You guys can just watch me put this wig on. I'm freaking loving everything about this wig, the texture, the curl pattern. It's just giving me what I need. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all lovelies out in the next one. Bye.
seem strange, but let me know if I'm out of order for stepping to you this way. 'Cause I have to know your name, leave you with my number, and hope that you would call me someday. And if you want, you can give me yours too.